Hi guys, Carmen here with Clean Cut Graphics, and on today's video we would like to do a unboxing of our mystery combo box. Alright guys, so when you order it by mail, this is how you will receive it. You will receive it in a priority mail box. And let's get started. There will be 2 rolls in here. We tend to separate your vinyls by your adhesive and your HTV. And this one, as you see, it's called a combo because it has a combination of adhesive and a combination of HTV. Let's open the adhesive first. Carefully take off the tape. And these will have a different variety. So what we do is, this box is worth over $50. That's right, over $50 worth of vinyl, and it only costs $32.99. It will have a variety of vinyls in here, again HTV and adhesive. You will have 1 opal adhesive, which is very beautiful. It actually changes colors when you move it. Very, very pretty. You will have 1 PSB glitter from Caesar, and this will be in a 12 by 12. This is our green emerald envy. You will have 1, 2, 3, 4 Oracle 651 12 by 12 sheets, and these will all be in a variety of colors. So either you could get this exact one, or you'll get one with different colors in it. Now to unbox the HTV. For this one, you will also have a variety of different types of vinyls, different sizes, and these are all full sheets. None of these are scraps or pieces, they are full sheets. Alright guys, let's get started. You will get 1 sheet of 12 by 12 holographic vinyl, 12 by 12. You'll get 2 sheets of Caesar Easy Weed 12 by 12. You will get 1 sheet of 12 by 15 stretch. And that is good for when you're putting it on polyester, spandex, bathing suits, all the stretchy stuff. You will get 1 sheet of 12 by 12 Caesar Matte. This one is our purple. And you will get 1 sheet of 12 by 12 glitter, Caesar glitter. Look how beautiful that looks. And you will get a glow in the dark, 12 by 12 glow in the dark. And you will get a 12 by 12 Strip Flock Pro. And you will get a 12 by 20 inch metal. Or again, colors may change. And a brick. For those of you that haven't used brick before, it is a thicker sheet, so you will need a thicker setting. And this one is a cold peel. I know you guys are gonna love this bundle, but of those of you that want to order more than 1 box, that maybe even 2 or 3, just know that every time you order, you will have different colors. Every box is unique. Every box has different colors. Sometimes you'll have different color holographic opals, glitters. They will all be different. So if you do order 2, just know you won't get the same colors. Alright guys, and if you are interested, we do offer 3 different types of mystery boxes. One is just adhesive and one is just HTV, and the one I showed you today is our combo box. Alright, thanks guys for joining us today on our unboxing of our mystery combo box. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Carmen here with Clean Cut Graphics. See you next time.